Hey friends, welcome or welcome back. Today I have a new product in the house, something I've never worked with before, so this is really exciting. Let's get into it. Maniology reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in collabing with them. And this is like my first stamping collab I've ever done with anybody, so I'm really happy about it. And you guys, they sent me all these items in PR. So I'm totally green to stamping, so please be kind, and if you have any tips or tricks, feel free to leave them down below. But they did send me this sticky base coat, and I believe that this is for your natural nails. You apply this to your natural nail before you apply your stamp art. Correct me if I'm wrong. They also sent this angled precision brush for like nail art cleanup, cleaning up around your cuticle area. I'm impressed with the variety of items they sent me to try out and work with. This is a good quality brush as well. Look at the packaging. Like, how cute is this? Like, doesn't it make you just want to jump in and get to whatever's going on in here? Look at the bloody pineapple. It's so cute. I can't even, like, oh my gosh. This is the most adorable cotton grabber I've ever seen to date. So I believe you use this for like blending your polishes and stuff. I'm going on a stamping journey, you guys, so let's do this. Wearing my best coat, that sticker says. It's so cute. I got a Paisley patchwork stamping plate, and I love bandanas, you guys. I've always loved bandanas, all different colors, so I thought that would be cute to do a bandana set or something. I also got this antique swirls plate because I love antique anything and I love swirls, so those are the codes to those. And I'm going to take the protectant layer off of that as well. The starter kit that I chose was the Opposites Attract Valentine's themed nail art stamping kit, and I'll show you what this looks up close and personal because I'm going to actually use it. I'm going to do one side of my hand today just to try this kit out. So this stamping instruction manual was really useful to me and helpful to me. I tried stamping like once or twice before and it just did not work for me, and now I totally understand why reading those instructions. But anyways, you guys, this little card is for swiping your polish, and it is small but it does the job. I don't know if they have bigger ones or not. You'll have to check the website. This little ice cube stamper, it looks like a little ice cube, right? Anyways, this is the stamper, and in the instruction manual it teaches you how to clean it properly. It's like really crystal clear, but you do want to like clean this with soap and water. I think one of the reasons why stamping never worked for me before is because like the stamp plate that I had, by the way, this is a dual 2-in-1 polish and top coat. So it's so embarrassing to even have to admit this, but this happened to me for real. So my first experience stamping was like a while ago, obviously, and I had a stamp plate that not only cut me because it didn't have any protectant backing on it, but I didn't see the clear piece of film on it. So girl, I didn't even know it was there, and I'm trying to stamp over it. It's so embarrassing, but that actually really happened to me, and that's why I never continued stamping. But so working with these products is like amazing because it's the complete opposite effect of what I had the first time. So this is a 6-piece polish set, and they have like different varieties of polish sets that you can choose from. I chose this one because I felt like it was a great starter polish set to start with, you know what I mean? I have zero like stamping polishes, so I was like, I need white, I need black, gray and gold are always good. All right, let's just get this one, you know what I mean? These polishes are beautiful, and when I mean beautiful, I mean they are very pigmented, super smooth, beautiful to work with. Like, I only did one coat and that's it, and I don't have a lot of polish on my brush either. I almost want to say that these stamping polishes are nicer than nail polish. I don't know what the formula is of these, but they're super pigmented and smooth. This is actually a lot of fun working with Maniology's products, and it totally changed my mind on stamping, and I never thought I would do stamping, you guys. And that's what I love about the nail world, is that there's so many different ways of doing nails, ways of doing nail art. I want to experiment more with these products, possibly do like a long set, but we'll see. I want to really think this one out, but I really wanted to just try these products and see if I could even stamp right. I was so nervous about it, honestly, you guys. I was like, oh my god, especially because of my first experience. I was like, oh, I don't know if I can do this, you know what I mean? But anyways, I'm showing you here where you take off the film part. This was my first Maniology stamp right here. You guys are my witness. This is the beginning of my Maniology stamping journey right here. I couldn't believe that I could see it for one, and it really went on for two. Like, oh, what a dream. So excited about this. Yeah, I would have never did stamping again if this opportunity hadn't have come my way. I'll be honest with you guys. I had no interest in it because of my experience. But now that I've worked with these products, the complete opposite of what happened to me in the beginning. Like my first experience. And yeah, I'm really excited to use these products going forward. Now that I've worked with this and I feel like way more confident than I ever did before, changed my mind. Like I did a complete 360 when it came to stamping. I went from not being interested in stamping really at all to thinking it was a fun idea to actually enjoying it and wanting to do more. So I'm really impressed with Maniology's products. So yeah, I know it's looking crazy, but like I said, this is not staying on. At this point, I've decided pretty much what I want to do with my nails. And after I've stamped this on, this is what really concretes it too, is seeing this print. Once I put this print on my nail, I was like sold. I was like, girl, I know what I want. And then I started getting like anxious and wanting to stamp everywhere and everything. So I took a step back and I decided to top coat this. The teddy bear has already been top coated. I wiped the other two nails off and I'm going to go back in and I'm going to put some more heart lollipops on my nail, and then I'm going to put a teddy bear on my thumb, and that is where I'm going to leave it. I wanted to like overlap it with different colors. That's something I'm going to kind of experiment with first. I can't believe I actually did stamping. Like, I'm so shocked. I'm so happy about it. Such a great experience. Also, they have amazing stamp plates and stuff. Like, I was shocked. Some of them are really intimidating, but now that I actually stamped, I feel more confident to take on one of those stamp plates. You know what I mean? I still feel like there's going to be some learning curves. There's tons of learning curves that I have to go through. Like, there's so much I have to learn, but I'm totally up for the challenge. I can't wait to step my stamp game up to a next level, you know what I mean? So I definitely know which one I'm choosing next time. If I get the opportunity, and you guys will be blown away, I believe, because it is so like, wow. When I seen it, I was like, oh no, I'm not even gonna attempt it. It just literally looks intimidating. You know what I mean? It's super detailed, super intricate, like lots and lots of stuff going on. But now I totally want to do it. But if you guys have any tips or tricks or pointers or anything that can help me on my stamping journey, let me know. I'm actually going to make a playlist for stamping because it's so unique and it's something I've never done on my entire channel before. So I kind of want to keep this, you know, so that if there's anybody else out there that's a beginner stamper like me, we can learn together, because this is what it's all about, you know what I mean? So shout out to Maniology for sending me these amazing products to try out and review all the way from Hawaii. I had such a blast and I look forward to doing some more. And thank you so much to all my beautiful, amazing supporters and subscribers. I truly appreciate each and every one of you, and until next time, be kind to everyone, including yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.